All right, hey you guys. Just want to do a quick tutorial on subtraction with borrowing because I had a few students that were still kind of struggling with it. So I just want to show you guys the way that I've been teaching the students in class. So go ahead and get started. So starting with this 73 minus 26, it's very important first that we always know to start from the right side. We start from the ones place whenever we're adding or subtracting, because just in case you need to borrow or regroup, you don't want to throw your numbers off. So what happens is this: we have 3 minus 6 first. I have 3, I have to take 6 away. Most people are going to automatically write a 3 right here, but that's incorrect, because if I have 3, I cannot take 6 away. So that brings us to our rule: add 1, take 1 away. So how I usually communicate to the students, I say, hey, can you do 3 minus 6? They say no. I say, well, what do you need to do? They say, add 1, take 1 away. Well, what does that mean? Add 1. That's really borrowing a 10 from the tens place and adding it here, so it changed the 3 to 13. Add 1, take 1 away. I'm putting a 1 in front of this number, so now instead of 3, I'm making it 13. And then I take 1 away from the next number over, which is 7, and I make it a 6. Now I can subtract 13 minus 6 is 7. 6 minus 2 is 4. We have our answer. All right, so to show you again, it's the same thing no matter how many digits it is. Add 1, take 1 away. 3 minus 5. 3, take away 5. We can't do that. It's not going to be 2. You can't take it away because this number is smaller than this number. So what do? Add 1, take 1 away. Now I have 13 minus 5, which is 8. And I have 0 minus 7. 0 minus 7 is not 7. 0 minus 7, I can't take 7 away from nothing. So what do? Add 1, take 1 away. Watch this. Add 1, take 1 away. 10 minus 7 is 3. 5 minus 1 is 4. All right. So for my last ones, this is a little more trickier. Same concept. 0 minus 5. I cannot do it. Please let's not make the mistake and say 0 minus 5 is 5. No. 0 minus 5, I can't do it. Add 1. Wait a minute. I have to take 1 away, but how do I take 1 away from 0? So I need to borrow again just so I can make this a 10. Then I can now take 1 away. So just in case that was a little confusing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it again, but I'm going to do the shortcut. What happens is that this 0, if I have nothing I can pull from, this turns into a 9, and then I borrow from the next number. I take 1 away from the next number. Now I have 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, 8 minus 3 being 5. So it is expected that our 4th graders already know how to do this. So if they don't know how to do it yet, let's practice as much as we can at home. Thanks a lot.